Oh, they're all gone. There were like 100 magpies out there. Wait a minute, I think they're still out there. I see them. Look at them all. See them? They're all over the place. They're going nuts. They were out here all on the lawn eating all the grubs in the lawn. You can see how bad the lawn is. And you notice we still haven't burnt the Christmas tree yet. We've had a drought here all summer, and now we finally have rain. Maybe we can burn it soon. Look at them. What the heck's going on? Something's up. I don't see birds like that flying around like they're really starving for food here. You know, it's October, maybe they're getting ready for the winter. All right, well, I guess I missed it. Bye-bye.